In the last video, we saw that the modal verb should suggests the best course of action. When you use should, you're saying, this is a good idea. This is the right thing to do. Now, when you ask a question using should, you're asking someone, what's the right thing to do? What's the best course of action? What should I wear? You're asking, what is the best thing to wear? What should I wear? You're in a restaurant and you ask, what should I order? You're asking, what is the best thing for me to order? What should I order? What should I do? That's a big one. What should I do? Sometimes we don't know what to do. What's the right thing to do? What's the best course of action? What should I do? He's feeling sick. What should he do? What's the best course of action? What should he do? He should drink lots of water and take vitamin C. I'm from Wisconsin, and in Wisconsin, sometimes we get tornadoes. Tornadoes are dangerous. So, if there's a tornado, what should you do? What's the best course of action? What's the right thing to do? What should you do? Well, you should go down to the basement. The basement is the safest place to be when there's a tornado. You should be safe in the basement. Now, both should and shouldn't can also be used in questions to challenge bad behavior and to offer an alternative. For example, there's a tornado outside and your friends are in the living room watching a movie. That's not good behavior. That's bad behavior. Now, you could get angry and be really direct. You could say, we shouldn't be in the living room right now. There's a tornado. We should go to the basement. But you could ask a couple of questions to be more polite, to be less direct. Use should to challenge the bad behavior. Should we be in the living room right now? There's a tornado. Then use shouldn't to offer an alternative. Shouldn't we go to the basement? Now you can also use shouldn't in a question when something out of the ordinary happens and you're confused, you're surprised. For example, your husband works from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. But one day you come home and your husband is in bed watching TV. You might ask, shouldn't you be at work? You're surprised. You're confused that he's at home. It's out of the ordinary. It's not normal. In the next video, we're going to look at another common modal verb. We're going to talk about would. Oh, no, not would. Would.